Good evening, friends. Welcome again. Friends, the second stock which we are going to talk is Bharat Bijli Limited. Our horizon is again, we are doing the analysis on weekly candlestick, but our horizon on this stock is only 3 days. And we are only expressing our opinion and we are not here to recommend anything. Let me do the live analysis in front of you all. Friends, the trend is up in the stock. There is no doubt about that. The trend is up and the stock is reaching to 1485 level after a long gap of last time the stock was at this level in September 2018, and after that the stock was roaming and it was completing its journey. It has given a downtrend here, and now onwards it had started its upward journey. So the stock has completed a V shape, you can see, and right now the stock is at the verge of the breakout, because as and when the stock closes above 1485, we have seen in the past. Let me write here: first time, second time, third time. Here it has placed or reacted or behaved like a resistance and it has come back. Second time it again tried to touch here, come back, here, come back, and finally here it has started moved upward. And when the stock moved above 1485, you can see the first high touched by 1587. Subsequently, the high touched was 1744 on 27th of August. Within 2 days, stock moved from 1485 to 1744, around 230 points movement. And again, third time, when the stock fall from above and it has not respected here the level of 1485, then it has given a huge downside. From 1485 to stock moved, second day 1335, 3 to 4 days it has moved from 1485 to 1171. So the movement of the stock is very fast, and third time when the stock crossed 1485 level, it has given a move of 100.1586 was the highest point. So we are of the opinion that as stock is reaching to nearest to the 1485 level, if it is able to sustain above 1485 level, then we can see a good movement in the days to come in the stock. Our horizon is 3 days. In 3 days, we can expect 100-point movement. But if we expand our horizon 1 week or 2 week, minimum 200 to 230 point movement is possible in the stock. Remember, we are only expressing our opinion and we are not here to provide any kind of recommendation. You are supposed to consult to your financial advisor before doing anything. Thank you. Regards.